The 5 stars not there on the jersey. What's the story?
I think the honest answer is that we want to win as many as possible. We are very fortunate. We have 5 already. और आगे डालने के लिए फिर जगह नहीं बचेगी तो फिर फ्यूचर में
Bolly, what excites you the most about the next generation of emerging players? Because also, this guy is quite senior now, fairly senior. But the new emerging players, what excites you the most?
The bravery, the youthful exuberance that they have brought and they continue to bring. And I guess it would have started when this guy came into our setup, larger than life, individual, but who works hard and he produces on the field. And I'm guessing that is what the next generation is seeing. And when they come into our camp, they are fearless. And that's what we want. That's what we are about at Mumbai Indians. Fearless brand, fearless cricket. And these guys are ready and ready to go from the onset. So that excites me a lot. When I stand behind the net now, I'm not the one stepping onto the field, but they are the one stepping onto the field and hitting the balls into the crowd so these people can be happy.
These people will take that faith in the team. But it's actually a very interesting tangent that Polly's taken us to. When this boy came many, many years ago. Hardik, why don't you take all of us on a little nostalgic trip? Hardik Pandya, how were you scouted? What's the story about you reaching from Baroda to this dreamland at MI? Yes, he was there. Captain, trophies.
Before I played for Mumbai Indians, I was just a pure batter who batted for all his 17 years, 19 years, all his young age. From there, I only knew one thing, which is like if you tell me to run 12 rounds, I'll run 15 rounds. So from there, out of the blue, someone sees me. In 1 year later, I play for Ranji Trophy. But all of a sudden, there is Mumbai Indian scouts are there in the stadium. I'm playing a Ranji game. They're not even come to see me. That's the beauty about it. They've not even come to see me. Luckily, God was kind that I did well in that game. That shows the scouting, that shows the talent which the scouting has, that they didn't even come to see me, but they were able to identify that this kid has something special and he'll play for us for long. So that is what Mumbai Indian scouting does. That is what it does. That's fantastic. You don't get that much.
So you said you were only a batter for 15, 17 years. So when did this bowling thing start and when was the all-rounder Hardik Pandya ready for it?
Yes, I think I had to adapt. I had no idea how to look after my body. I had no idea what it requires to be all-rounder. The only thing which I knew, and I think I tell all the youngsters, irrespective of what, I know how to work hard. And no matter how much someone will push, no matter how much कुछ दुनिया ऊपर से नीचे हो जाए, मुझे एक चीज पता है कि मेहनत कोई नहीं छीन सकता और मैं मेहनत पे मानता हूँ. I think that's what helped me to perform.
How does it feel like it, Hardik, when you walk out at the Wankhede and the crowd's chanting your name? What do you have to say to the MI fans, to the Paltan that's gathered here today?
I think that's really straight from my heart. I think I'll speak from my heart in this. देखो मुझे ना प्यार फील करना बहुत पसंद है. आई थिंक जो क्रिकेटर हार्दिक जो बूस्ट मिलता है हमको, ये वही प्यार से होता है. जब ये लोग चिल्लाते हैं, इनके they are there out there no matter what happens. The way we are winning the game, we are not winning the game, they're still backing us. I think I crave for that love. For me, it's so exciting. I come from a place where I think I found very difficult to find my place early age in my Mumbai Indians was the one team which I actually came and they were like, what, ऐसा भी character हो सकता है और ऐसा भी आगे जाके खेलेगा इतना cricket. So for me, what they feel is they give me the fuel to go out there, put my heart out. I think it's for the whole team, but for me personally, I love, the current example for me which I have to mention was the semi-final. The kind of atmosphere which we created for India against India versus England, the semi-final in Wankhede. they all saw when they come behind. They all saw what if they come behind and what happens. They can only be next day from there.